Welcome to our guide on understanding reconciliation center permission levels in Docyt. Docyt provides two permission levels to control access and management within the reconciliation center. Understanding these permission levels ensures the effective handling of reconciliation data and critical financial information. To view permission levels, click on Settings from the top navigation menu and go to Business Employees. Scroll down to select Permission Levels for Reconciliation Center. Reconciliation Center Permission Levels: None. Users with this access level have no permission to view or manage Reconciliation Center data. They cannot access any information related to the Reconciliation Center module. Accountant. Users with this access level possess complete control over the Reconciliation Center module. They can view, edit, and manage the business's reconciliation data, financial transactions, and other critical financial information. And there you have it. You have now learned how to access permission levels in the Reconciliation Center in Docyt. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.